So, hello guys, this is Harshi from Karim's YouTube channel. So, in this video, I'm gonna explain you how to enable and use nearby feature. This feature will help you to share your files to other phone. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump into the topic. So, firstly, go to your settings and search for a term called nearby share. So whenever you tap on this option, so click on it, and here you need to turn on nearby share. Okay, so whenever you make this turn on, then the nearby share feature will be automatically enabled, right? So how to use this feature? So let's have a look on this. So firstly, I just go back and select a picture and click on share option. Whenever I click on this share option, you can see an option called nearby feature. So here you can see that option, right? So this is how this nearby feature will be helps to your file sharing. So thank you for watching.